Today we're going to be replacing the fluid in the transmission on this 2019 Polaris Ranger 570. First thing you want to do is make sure that your UTV is on level ground. Next we're going to clean around the fill plug right here before we remove it. Next we'll take our 8mm socket, turn left, and loosen it. There we go. With a drain pan underneath, next thing we're going to do is clean the drain plug, or clean around it. Make sure there's no debris in there. Now we're going to take our 8mm Allen socket again and loosen it as well. And let that dirty oil drain out into the pan. So now we're going to clean off our drain plug, inspect the O-ring, make sure it's in decent shape. If not, we'll replace it. And we're going to inspect the O-ring on the filler plug as well. Okay, now our rear fluid, transmission fluid is drained. And we're going to put the drain plug back in. And we're going to snug it up to the specified torque, which I believe is 14 foot-pounds on this one. And we're going to wipe the fill plug. And we're going to be using AMSOIL 100% Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid. This is for transmissions and differential. And it comes in an easy fill bag like this with a nozzle. You can just put it right in the hole there. And this makes life a lot easier. It's a 1 US quart or 946 milliliters. So we'll see how this goes. Put it in the hole and we'll just fill it till it either seeps out. I may have to get another bag. I'm not sure yet. That actually works pretty easy with this bag. The reason why I think it may take quite a bit is because quite a bit came out in the drain pan. So I used this bag on the front differential, and I probably used half of it. Now I'm going to grab another bag and finish refilling this. Okay. We actually hit the fill point. Finally. Didn't take much of that second bag. Okay, we'll put the fill plug back in and we'll tighten it up. There we go. We'll just clean this up now and it's full. So that was an easy job done on the Polaris Ranger 570. Again, if you want to get your AMSOIL differential fluid, transmission fluid, you can go down to the links down below in the description of this video, or you can go to atvOil.ca, where you just type in whatever ATV, side-by-side UTV that you have, and then you can choose between motor oil, gear oil, transmission oil, grease, whatever you want. And if you have more than one machine and some power equipment, it may be a good idea to look at the preferred customer program, where you can save up to 25% on your order. Plus, if you're ordering that much, you get free shipping on $100 US or $130 Canadian. And there's some other bonuses in there as well. I want to thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, come back for more videos, and we'll see you again on another one. Take care.